All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, back at it with another one. I hope you're all doing well out there. By the way, if it's your first time out here, make sure to sub to the channel, drop one of these, share the video if it's any useful to you. We love you all here and we love your support. So without further ado, let's get down to business. So what we about to open today, you can see it right in front of your faces. This is for Queen Woo-wee. It's BigWheel 205 HUDORA. I hope I'm saying that well. ABEC Pro Technologie-Tret-Roller. You're about to ride this baby. Ooh yeah. You're about to ride it. Okay. So we're gonna proceed with the unboxing in no time. Okay. BigWheel 205. So guys, what's inside the box? That's what's inside the box. This is what we're here for. I'm gonna start this, and Queen Sarah gonna finish it off. Let's get down to business. Let's go. Let's go. Hold it back now, hold it back.
This is
So,
pretty heavy.
it's pretty heavy. Look at the big tires, man. Ooh wee, ooh wee. All right, carry on, carry on. Be careful because it's gonna drop, yeah? Pull it out, pull it out, pull it out. If it's too heavy, let me know. Is it too heavy for you?
Yeah.
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna be back ultra-early. All right, I got help with the Queen out. Yeah. Pull this thing out. You're meant to hold the buck, mister. Hold the buck. All right, check out what we got here, man. What do you think about it, man?
It's nice. Has good technique, colors.
The spring is pretty big as far as I'm concerned. You know what I mean? It's pretty huge. We're gonna mount it. We're gonna mount it and show you what it looks like. Then we will take it out for a ride. Yeah?
Yes.
So this is yours. King Adams one, Ninja Pros one is coming tomorrow, hopefully. We got this from Amazon, by the way. I'm gonna leave the links right down below. Yeah, for what I've seen so far, I think this is pretty dope. We talk about the quality. It's all aluminium, by the way. It's all aluminium. A little bit of metal here, metal here and there, plastic, as you can see, and foam. You know, aluminium right here, rubber, hot tires. Yeah, this can be rolled by used by adults or kids with parental or adult supervision. Yeah, let's get down to business, man. So this can be easily carried around. All right, the stripe is adjustable. If you don't want it, you can just take it off, put it in the bag, you know. Yeah, so we're gonna be stopping the video in a bit because it's raining right now. So this comes with its own booklet, you know, the instructions manual. All right, English and so on and so forth, various languages. Okay, it's raining right now, so I think we're gonna stop the video and come back later. All right guys, to lock and unlock, you got to use this handle here. I don't know what you call it. All right, we're gonna show you in a minute. All right, so we got a stand somewhere here. I'm gonna cut this off. down here. Cut that off. Here it is. Somewhere right here. So this will allow your scooter. This is gonna allow your scooter to to stand. It's pretty basic, right? There you have it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you how to use the lever. All right, press it forward, and that's it. Ready to go. Ready to ride. Your handles firmly press. Can you see me on the camera?
Yeah, I can see you.
Handles. Okay. Very basics. Spin it. Get them locked in there, son. All right. Get them locked. You get that. There you have it. And you got your stand somewhere here. And this should stand on its own. So yeah, that's what's up. Go pose on it quickly. Go pose